channel. I am preparing for Christmas and I have prepared so many ornaments, Christmas ornament to tie on a Christmas tree. Have you prepared any? If you are not, let's make one. Today I am going to show you Christmas Santa Claus face. So let's start making. But before we start, please like, share and subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get further notification. To prepare this clay Santa Claus face ornament, we need acrylic clay, some molding tool, glue and clay. So what I'll do, I'll take a cream color clay and knead it like this and roll it to make a face and just flatten it with the help of my palm. Our Santa Claus face is ready. So then we'll take a red color clay and make a teardrop like this and make this point little bit more and again flatten this clay and press it. Get a shape of hat like this. So now our Santa Claus hat is ready. So what I'll do, just press little bit with the help of thumb to make some hollow portion to face to make this face insert in this hat like this. And now I'll take white color clay and I'll make and I'll roll it like this to make this Santa Claus hat fur. So what you have to do, just roll the clay and flatten it and take your tool and just make some holes in it. What we're going to do is glue it. So I'll take some glue and apply it on the hat, Santa Claus hat, and stick it to the hat. Once we stick it like this, we'll attach this furry ball to the hat. So in the similar manner, I have made this ball like this and took this tool and make some hole like this, attach this hat. So what I'll do, glue this and attach to the hat. Now our Santa Claus hat is ready. So we haven't glued this face, so I'll just put some glue on the hollow part of the hat. So now our Santa Claus face is attached here, and now what we have to do is take another white color clay and roll it to make a Santa Claus beard. So I'll make little bit long white color clay and I will flatten it in the similar manner how we flatten the face and a head, and I'll give some marking like this for to give the beard effect. Now I'll glue this beard of Santa Claus and glue it. Here it is. Its beard is ready. Now take another white color clay and make a ball and a teardrop and extend it to make its mustache like this. So we'll get this kind of shape of the Santa Claus. So I have made two mustache of the Santa Claus and I have rolled some little small little ball of Santa Claus to make its nose. And also I have taken this small um, uh, cream color clay and made it uh, lips. So now I'll just attach everything which I have made with the help of glue. So that it will look nice. In this way. Now I'll just take acrylic color and a ball tool, and I'll do its Santa Claus eyes. Glue it, and I will insert inside the hat of the Santa Claus. Here we go. To make it look fine, you can take this knife tool and give a little shape at the hat of the Santa Claus. So here, and let it dry overnight, and your Santa Claus face ornament is ready. I hope you like this video and you will do this ornament on the Christmas and tie this ornament on the Christmas tree. So please show me if you like this video a thumbs up, and try and make this Santa Claus face with the clay, and let me know in the comment section how you have done. Please send me pictures too, and uh, please watch my next video, such kind of videos, and please tell me how you like this ornaments. Bye till now. See you next time.